Oh, I'm so excited. I just got my order in from newgardenplants.com, and you can join me in seeing what they sent me. Ooh, it's a box. And it's got paper in it. Okay, so let's see what we got here. It's papers. Ooh, look at that thing. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3. Now, actually, from this time, I ordered 4, but for some reason, one of the items was out of stock, so they refunded my money for that particular item. Now, I've heard various things on the web from this company, but so far, anyway, my experience is positive. Now, these were, for being shipped across the country from Michigan. This is Penstemon Cha-Cha Cherry. Okay, so that's Cha-Cha Cherry. And okay, just put the box there. Let's unwrap the next one here. Let's see what this one is. Now, I'm impressed at the fact that they are in paper like this and they are in decent shape. Like I said, if you travel across the country without food and water for several days, how do you would look? All right, this one is Rock Candy Purple. I chose this one because it was purple. And one more to go for this unboxing. All right, so we are down to this one right here, and this one is called Penstemon Rock Candy Pink. Okay, so it doesn't look like much now, but it's got potential. It's got a good root system. It's not dead on arrival. That's always good to see. So if you'd like to see more unboxing videos like this, by all means, subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment or a like. It always helps. And thank you for growing with me.